Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 25 YouTube business ideas that you can start today. Whether you're passionate about cooking, travel, or gaming, there's a YouTube business idea out there for you. So if you're looking to start a business or grow your existing business, be sure to watch this video until the end. I'll also share some tips on how to create successful YouTube videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Vlog. Create video blogs about your personal life or interests. This is a great way to connect with your audience and share your thoughts and experiences with the world. 2. Video editor. Offer video editing services to businesses and individuals. This is a skill that is in high demand, and it can be a great way to make money from your YouTube channel. 3. Social media influencer. Promote products or brands on your YouTube channel. If you have a large following, you can make a lot of money by partnering with brands. 4. Gamer. Play and showcase video games on your YouTube channel. This is a great way to connect with other gamers and build a community around your channel. 5. Product reviewer. Review products, websites, movies, TV shows, video games, etc. This is a great way to share your opinion with others and help them make informed decisions. 6. Cooking channel. Record cooking sessions and share recipes. This is a great way to teach people how to cook and share your love of food. 7. Travel vlog. Share your travel experiences through videos. This is a great way to inspire others to travel and explore the world. 8. Dancer. Create and share dance videos. This is a great way to share your passion for dance with others and inspire them to dance too. 9. Prankster. Create and share prank videos. This is a great way to entertain your audience and get them talking. 10. Educator. Share your expertise on a particular topic through video lessons. This is a great way to teach others and make a difference in the world. 11. Motivational speaker. Share your personal stories and insights to motivate and inspire others. This is a great way to make a positive impact on the world. 12. Pet vlogger. Share your life with your pets through videos. This is a great way to connect with other pet lovers and show off your furry friends. 13. D-channel. Share your tips and tricks for making things yourself. This is a great way to save money and be creative. 14. Lifestyle channel. Share your thoughts and experiences on a variety of topics. This is a great way to connect with people who share your interests. 15. Comedy channel. Create funny videos to make your audience laugh. This is a great way to entertain and brighten people's days. 16. Music channel. Share your original music or cover songs. This is a great way to share your love of music with others. 17. Art channel. Share your art projects and techniques. This is a great way to inspire others to be creative. 18. Fashion channel. Share your fashion tips and tricks. This is a great way to stay up to date on the latest fashion trends. 19. Beauty channel. Share your makeup tutorials and skincare routines. This is a great way to help others look and feel their best. 20. Business channel. Share your insights and advice on business and entrepreneurship. This is a great way to help others achieve their business goals. 21. Unboxing channel. If you are into the product business, an unboxing channel can be a great idea. This is where you open up new products and show them off to your viewers. 22. Product demonstrator. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can create videos demonstrating how to use products or services. This is a great way to show people the value of a product or service and generate leads for your business. 23. Video tour guide. If you are passionate about a particular location, you can create videos that give virtual tours of that location. This is a great way to share your knowledge and passion with others and help them plan their trips. 24. Q&A video creator. If you have a lot of knowledge about a particular topic, you can create videos answering questions from your viewers. This is a great way to build a relationship with your audience and provide them with valuable information. 25. Public speaker. If you are passionate about a particular topic and have a gift for public speaking, you can create videos of your speeches and share them on YouTube. This is a great way to reach a wider audience and share your message with the world. So, those are just 25 YouTube business ideas that you can start today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks again for watching.